Welcome to Physics 111. I am Robert Greene, your instructor, your coach, your mentor, and your facilitator. I am here to help you learn physics and succeed in your goals in your education. Welcome. So you see the Moodle page. Moodle is command center of our course. You will see the entire list of topics that we will cover over the semester. So this is a grid layout. You can see the 14 different areas that we're going to cover, 13 different areas that we're going to cover over the course of the semester, and the schedule week by week for each of those sections. Allow me to show you the variety of tools we have to assist your learning in this very challenging subject of physics. Physics is a good combination of mathematics and applications to the real physical world. It lies, in some sense, halfway between mathematics and engineering, which is a pretty directly applied application of scientific principle. In physics, we have practical applications, but we also dwell in the world, in the ethereal world of theory and abstract concept. And I am here to help you with that. And as your coach, to encourage you to push yourself to the limits of your ability to learn new and difficult material and to prepare yourself for the ambitious career you've chosen in either science, mathematics, or engineering. On this Moodle site, you will find a wide variety of resources designed to help you learn. And you are encouraged throughout the semester to let me know what works, what doesn't work, what additional resources would be helpful, or ways in which I can help you. So please, by all means, don't be shy in asking for help. So the first section of the course is the resource section, and you'll find the syllabus, the free online textbook, some support sites, and an engineering and STEM message board which contains scholarship and sometimes employment opportunities. As you approach week 1 and the following weeks, you'll see the resources. So we have A1 is assignment 1. A1R is assignment 1 review. You'll learn what that is later. There's your first lab. There's your first quiz. And there are a variety of video materials to support your work in this first section of the course. In addition, there's a set of exercises, study exercises with previous assignment problems worked out. Your main source of help should be the videos and the regular Zoom meetings that we have throughout the week. Remember, this is an online course. These are not required meetings, but I encourage you to come. I encourage you to turn on your webcam so I can see you. I will have my webcam on so you can see me, and as much as possible in an online course, we establish that very important human connection that will help make each of our experiences more satisfying and more productive.